Welcome to Thena's channel. Explore 24 bedroom design ideas to enhance aesthetics, comfort, and functionality, with smart storage, budget-friendly tips, and personalized inspiration. A sleek modern bedroom featuring a floating bed with wooden detailing, pendant lights, and textured walls, blending minimalism with warm, earthy tones for a cozy ambience. Bright and elegant, this bedroom boasts a white color palette, geometric furniture designs, and exposed wooden beams, creating a luxurious yet serene space filled with natural light. Compact and functional, this bedroom utilizes built-in wooden shelves as a headboard, optimizing storage while maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic with large windows for abundant light. This bedroom emphasizes openness with expansive windows, offering breathtaking views, neutral colors, and layered textures for a tranquil, nature-inspired retreat. Warm and rustic, this bedroom integrates wooden paneling on the ceiling and walls, soft lighting, and garden views, creating a harmonious connection between indoors and outdoors. A modern sanctuary with a high wooden ceiling, suspended lighting, and natural tones, this space radiates simplicity and comfort, enhanced by large windows framing greenery. Bold and vibrant, this contemporary bedroom features a geometric accent wall, oversized mirror, and sleek white furnishings, creating a playful yet polished design statement. Earthy and industrial, this bedroom balances raw textures like brick and wood with floor-to-ceiling glass doors, seamlessly blending rugged aesthetics with lush garden views. Sophisticated and open, this bedroom embraces panoramic vistas, minimalist furnishings, and soft neutrals, combining luxury and relaxation for an expansive, peaceful environment. A rustic modern design with vertical wooden slats, concrete accents, and warm lighting, this bedroom creates a perfect balance of texture, coziness, and natural light integration. Soft and serene, this bedroom features a curved upholstered headboard, deep blue accents, and large windows, blending elegance with natural light for a calm retreat. A warm and airy design with built-in wooden shelving, full-height glass doors, and a seating nook, seamlessly connecting indoor living with stunning outdoor views. Vibrant and cozy, this bedroom combines wooden slats, bold patterns, and a sliding glass door leading to lush greenery, creating a tropical-inspired sanctuary. A Scandinavian-inspired space with light wood cabinetry, white shiplap walls, and soft textures, designed to maximize functionality and warmth during cold, snowy winters. Industrial yet refined, this room showcases a raw concrete ceiling, polished floors, and art-forward decor, blending modern minimalism with an urban chic aesthetic. Quirky and organic, this space features a sculpted ceiling, pastel headboard, and rounded window designs, exuding creativity while connecting to a tropical garden. Grand and minimalist, this bedroom is defined by arched ceilings, warm cork accents, and floor-to-ceiling sliding doors for a harmonious and balanced environment. This sophisticated design pairs dark paneling with bold art, warm lighting, and sleek furnishings, creating a moody yet inviting atmosphere for modern living. Bright and elegant, the room features linear wood paneling, integrated storage, and natural tones, accented by warm lighting for a balanced, contemporary appeal. Eclectic and spacious, this design features a vaulted ceiling, floating shelves, and a wood-paneled wall, blending modern touches with a cozy countryside feel. Minimalist and airy, this bedroom features clean lines, warm wood flooring, and expansive glass doors framing stunning natural views for a peaceful, uncluttered retreat. Warm and modern, the room highlights horizontal wood paneling, layered textures, and soft lighting, blending cozy elements with sleek, contemporary furnishings. Bright and open, this design combines natural materials, playful textures, and a seamless connection to an outdoor terrace, creating a vibrant yet serene living space. Industrial meets contemporary in this design, with glass partitions, bold accents, and minimalist decor balancing privacy and openness in a sophisticated, urban setting.